In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Elasticsearch in Cloudways. If you're running search-heavy applications, Elasticsearch or its fork, OpenSearch, can significantly improve performance and relevance. On Cloudways, you control these services at the server level, so any change you make applies to all apps hosted on that specific server. Keep that in mind as you follow along. Start by heading to the Cloudways platform and signing in with your credentials. Once you're in, look at the top menu and click Servers. From the list that appears, choose the server where you want to turn the search engine on or off. This choice matters because enabling or disabling the service will affect every application running on that server, not just a single site. With your server selected, open Settings and Packages. Inside this section, switch over to the Packages tab. This is where Cloudways centralizes installable services and versions so you can manage them without touching the command line. Find the option labeled Search Engine. This refers to Elasticsearch or OpenSearch. Click the Edit icon or use the drop-down next to it to reveal your choices. You'll see options to enable Elasticsearch in version 7.1 or 8.11, enable OpenSearch in version 2.19, or disable the service entirely. Pick the one that matches your application's compatibility requirements. Many plugins and libraries are built for Elasticsearch 7.x, while newer stacks may prefer Elasticsearch 8.x or OpenSearch. If you're unsure, check your application's documentation before switching versions to avoid compatibility issues. After you make your selection, click Save to apply the change. Cloudways will handle the installation, configuration, or shutdown automatically. Expect a brief wait while the platform provisions or stops the service and updates the server. During this time, your apps that rely on the search engine may briefly lose connectivity to it, so it's best to do this during a low-traffic period. If you choose Disable, the search engine service is turned off and won't consume server resources. Any features in your apps that depend on it will stop working until you re-enable a compatible engine. If you enable or switch versions, give the service a moment to initialize before testing your application's search features. That's it. You've navigated to the right server, opened Settings and Packages, selected the Packages tab, chosen your search engine option, and saved your changes. With these steps, you can confidently enable, switch, or disable Elasticsearch or OpenSearch on Cloudways whenever your project needs change.